Hello, my friends, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A well-designed kitchen has the power to transform the way a home feels and functions. It's where daily routines become effortless, and where thoughtful design brings both beauty and purpose into one space. Modern kitchens are no longer defined by appearance alone. They are shaped by how efficiently they work, how seamlessly they flow, and how comfortably they adapt to everyday life. Clean lines, smart storage, and carefully chosen materials come together to create spaces that feel open, organized, and inviting. In the following ideas, discover how design, functionality, and subtle details can come together to create a kitchen that not only looks refined, but truly works for the way people live. The foundation of any well-designed kitchen begins with its layout. It shapes how the space is used, how it feels, and how effortlessly everything comes together. Open layouts create a natural connection between the kitchen and surrounding areas, allowing light, movement, and conversation to flow freely. The space feels larger, more inviting, and more connected to everyday living. L-shaped and U-shaped designs offer efficiency and structure, keeping essential zones within easy reach while maintaining a sense of order. Every feels intuitive, with a clear balance between workspace and circulation. At the center of many modern kitchens, an island introduces both function and presence. It becomes a place for preparation, gathering, and even quiet moments throughout the day. Beyond its visual impact, it adds valuable storage and extends the working surface without disrupting the flow. What defines a successful layout is not just its form, but how naturally it supports daily use. Movement feels smooth, transitions feel effortless, and every element is positioned with purpose, creating a space that works as beautifully as it looks. Cabinet design plays a central role in shaping the overall look and feel of a kitchen. It's often the first element that defines the space, setting the tone for both style and functionality. Modern cabinetry leans towards simplicity, where clean lines and smooth surfaces create a sense of calm and order. Flat panel doors offer a refined, minimal look, while handleless designs enhance the feeling of continuity, allowing the kitchen to appear seamless and uncluttered. Finishes add another layer of character. Matte surfaces create a soft, understated elegance, while subtle gloss can reflect light and bring a sense of openness. When combined thoughtfully, different textures, such as natural wood and smooth lacquer, introduce warmth without overwhelming the design. Color choices also play a key role. A single-tone palette can create a cohesive and balanced environment, while two-tone cabinetry adds depth and visual interest, often highlighting specific zones within the kitchen. Beyond appearance, well-designed cabinets are built around usability. Interior organization, hidden compartments, and efficient storage solutions ensure that everything has its place. The result is a kitchen that feels clean, functional, and effortlessly refined in everyday use. Behind every well-designed kitchen is a system that keeps everything in place without drawing attention to itself. Smart storage transforms the way a space functions, allowing it to remain clean, efficient, and easy to use. Traditional cabinets are gradually replaced by deeper drawers that bring everything into view with a single. Items are no longer hidden in the back or difficult to reach. Instead, storage becomes more accessible and intuitive. Corner spaces, often overlooked, are reimagined with pull-out systems that make use of every inch. What was once unused space becomes practical and efficient. Vertical storage also plays a key role, turning walls and tall units into organized zones that maximize capacity without adding clutter. Hidden compartments add another layer of functionality. Appliances, utensils, and everyday items can be tucked away, maintaining a smooth and uninterrupted visual flow across the kitchen. Good organization is not just about storing more, it's about creating ease. When everything has a defined place, the space feels lighter, movement becomes more natural, and the kitchen supports daily life without effort. Materials shape the character of a kitchen, influencing how the space looks, feels, and performs over time. The right combination creates a balance between durability and visual appeal, allowing the design to remain both practical and refined. Work surfaces are often the most used elements, making durability essential. Smooth, resilient materials offer a clean appearance while standing up to daily use. At the same time, subtle patterns and textures can add depth without overwhelming the space. Natural finishes introduce warmth and contrast. Wood brings a sense of comfort and softness, while stone surfaces add a quiet sense of strength and permanence. When these elements are layered thoughtfully, the kitchen feels grounded yet visually dynamic. Metal accents provide a finishing touch, whether through fixtures, hardware, or small details. Their presence adds a gentle contrast that enhances the overall composition without drawing too much attention. What defines a well-finished kitchen is not just the materials themselves, but how they work together. A balanced mix of textures, tones, and surfaces creates a space that feels cohesive, inviting, and built to last. Lighting shapes how a kitchen is experienced, influencing both its atmosphere and its functionality. It has the ability to highlight design details, define zones, and create a sense of warmth throughout the space. A well-lit kitchen relies on layers. Ambient lighting provides an overall glow, setting a comfortable base that fills the room evenly. Task lighting focuses on key areas such as countertops and preparation zones, ensuring clarity and ease during everyday use. Accent lighting adds depth, drawing attention to textures, materials, and architectural features. Subtle illumination beneath cabinets or along surfaces can create a soft, floating effect that enhances the overall design without overwhelming it. Pendant lights often become a visual centerpiece, especially above islands or dining areas. Beyond their function, they introduce character and help anchor the space visually. When lighting is thoughtfully arranged, the kitchen adapts effortlessly to different moments, bright and functional when needed, and calm and inviting as the atmosphere shifts. The details that complete a kitchen are often the ones that bring it to life. Complementary elements add personality, softness, and a sense of balance, turning a functional space into something more inviting and expressive. Open shelving introduces an opportunity to display everyday items in a thoughtful way. Carefully arranged pieces, whether simple dishware or subtle decor, create visual interest while keeping essentials within reach. Natural elements play an important role in softening the space. A touch of greenery adds freshness and contrast, breaking up clean lines and bringing a sense of calm into the environment. Seating also contributes to both function and atmosphere. Well-chosen stools or chairs can define a gathering area, making the kitchen feel more connected to daily living. Comfort and proportion work together to ensure the space feels as good as it looks. Small accessories, from textiles to decorative accents, add layers without overwhelming the design. When chosen with intention, these elements enhance the overall composition, creating a kitchen that feels complete, balanced, and effortlessly welcoming. Color sets the overall mood of a kitchen, influencing how the space feels from the moment it's seen. A well-balanced palette brings clarity and cohesion, allowing every element to work together seamlessly. Neutral tones create a calm and timeless foundation. Soft whites, warm beiges, and muted grays reflect light gently, helping the space feel open and balanced without overwhelming the design. For added depth, darker tones can be introduced in subtle ways, through cabinetry, accents, or contrast surfaces. These elements anchor the space and create a sense of structure while maintaining a refined look. Monochromatic palettes offer a clean, unified appearance, while layered tones within the same color family add dimension without disrupting harmony. Even small shifts in shade or texture can make a noticeable difference. The final touches bring everything together. From hardware and finishes to carefully selected details, each element reinforces the overall vision, resulting in a kitchen that feels complete, cohesive, and effortlessly well-designed. A modern kitchen is more than a collection of design choices. It is a space shaped by balance, where layout, materials, storage, and lighting all work together to create something both practical and visually refined. When every detail is considered with intention, the result is a kitchen that feels effortless to use and timeless in appearance. A place where simplicity enhances comfort, and design quietly supports everyday life. For more inspiring interior design ideas and thoughtful space transformations, continue exploring HD Interiors. Like, share, and subscribe for more timeless design inspiration that helps bring better living spaces to life.